What's up, guys? GVK's back. Today we're doing stuff. Well, this is like a wonderful way to start the video. So these are tickets in Ontario, and yeah, so I got pulled over, and it wasn't as bad as you think. The cop was really nice, kind of. He was a boomer, so it's chill, but it's whatever. So I got a speeding ticket, and it's not what you guys think it is. It was a 50. The flow of traffic was like 60. I was doing 65. So yeah, I got a 65 and a 50. So like, I don't know. I also got 2 written warnings, which are kind of stupid. I'll show you guys those in a bit. But right now we got some stuff to do. We're going to apexauto, we're getting the trans and diff done. And yeah, we're gonna pick up some oil, and we're probably gonna do an oil change in a couple of days. And we got a couple of other things to do. So yeah, stay tuned. And I'll see you guys at the end of the video. I'll see you guys at apexauto. Trans and diff done. Car feels amazing. And next up, we're gonna do an oil change. Cause that time of the month, you know? But yeah, we put gear 300 in there. And yeah, it's pretty spicy right now. So might go for a drive. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we go for a little ripski? Yeah, let's go. What's up, guys? GV back. I just took my bike to go get the oil filter because I'm stupid and it's really hot and I'm in jeans and a t-shirt, and you know, you should never ride a bike wearing a t-shirt, but I'm really hot. So yeah, yeah, let's go.
Some nigga came, cut all the weeds, took our trash, man, took our fucking table, the chair, the tire.
Oh,
Man took the tire. Everything's gone.
So yo, they just fully came up here and just cleaned your shit.
Show them what's in that pole.
Oh, you guys want to see what's in the pole, eh? Oh, it's gone. Oh, fuck. This thing is huge now.
Yeah, bro, it keeps going every day.
Is that it? Yeah, like I know it's oil change time, guys. You know, look at this dusty ass bottle. Look how dusty this bottle. First off, okay. Anyways, second of all, yeah, I'm not. Never mind. Fuck it. You know what we're doing again. We only do oil changes on this channel. That's the whole point of the channel. Just to do an oil change. When I do oil change on my Subi, you guys should be doing oil change on your Subi. That's just how it is. Anyways, though, it's my new whip. If you've never been here, then you're not a car.
You're not a car guy.
Did you get me a large Coke?
It's large. It's still $1.
My God.
It's still $1. What do you want? $1 is $1. It doesn't matter what size.
$1 is $1.
You have? I want to try it. Let me try it. Yeah, I want to try it.
Why are you talking about drugs right now?
I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
What?
Yo, you want some bath salt?
Yo, whoa!
Jeez.
Yo, let me get
That
that.
good crystal,
Let
dog.
me get.
Some method of this bitch.
What's up, guys? GVK's back. Right now, I'm sitting in Toronto traffic, fucking stupid ass shit. Anyways, I'm rushing right now. For some reason, there's an 08 STI wing that's black in the back of my car. I don't know why, but you'll guys find out later. And hopefully I'll find out too. So fuck this traffic. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's go. So I was just driving around and shit. I found like this junk on the side of the road. I said like, pick it up, why not? You know how it is. Just trying to be a good citizen, you know. I just pick up some junk on the side of the road and saying, you know, just chilling. Traffic's pretty bad, but what do you really expect from Toronto, right? So yeah, I just found some junk on the side of the road, like just some junk, you know. But yeah, it was just some garbage. I might try and like actually like, I was thinking I could like cut it up and like see if it'd fit on my car, but like it's just some garbage. I might as well just go to the scrapyard and throw it out. You know how I don't know. Let's go, man. I'm really excited anyway. So we're gonna get started putting the big boy Varis wing on this shit. This shit gonna look crazy. I already went ahead and took off the stock wing. So you know we're looking flat now, like flat as fuck. So anyways, let's get right into it. So yes, I just want to show you guys the wing before I put it on. Look at this paint, guys. Holy, I wish my car was that color. Who knows? Actually, maybe this is a hint, but the carbon fiber. Holy, that's some nice carbon if I've ever seen it. No cracks, re-resined, beautiful piece. Underside, perfect. Literally not a scratch, literally just paint. As for the big part of the wing, it's pretty good. This is the underside, so obviously you won't see a lot of this stuff, but the top side of it, see, very clean. I already cleaned it up pretty good. And yeah, once it goes on the car, I'm gonna get it ceramic coated, probably just this part. And yeah, guys, let's get this bitch on the whip. So the first part of the wing is on. I was just checking to see if there's any stress, and there is, because that was me. You can see this little stress mark right here. One of the bolts there's one really short one, and I put the really short one where I wasn't supposed to because I didn't know. So there's a little bit of stress there, but it's not noticeable. But yeah, so we got the big part on. This was already here before, don't worry about that. Got the big part on. And now we are going to go for 2 side pieces. So let's go. Just want to show you guys real quick. So I had these leftover washers, red washers. These fit actually perfect right in this hole, and that'll look so good. So yeah, there's 3 here, there's 2 here, there's one on the back side that's hidden, so you can't open it from the top. That way nobody can like take it, I guess. And yeah, so let's put that on right now. So guys, we're about halfway there. Put the nice hardware on, fit perfectly in this little circle. I'm really happy about that. So yeah, that's how we're looking right now. Let's put the big piece on, and yeah, then we're Gucci. Let's go. So I'm a happy camper. Jeez, so I just finished up the wing, guys. Take a look at it. Jeez. So tomorrow or the next day, we're gonna do the exhaust garnishes, and after that, the back end of this car is gonna be looking crazy. But I'm really happy with the way the wind turned out. It looks super dope. So yeah, let's go get some nice clips on our new carbon fiber. Damn, lighting's good, eh? Jeez. Actually, okay, never mind. Anyways, this is part 2 in the same video of making my stock WRX. My stock WRX into an even more stock car. So today we are going to rip off my Varis wing and sell it for food. I'm just joking. Today we are going to be doing these. Yesterday we did the wing. That's the wrong side. Don't mind my feet. Don't fuck with my feet. Don't fuck with the channel. Okay, anyways. So yesterday we did the wing. Today we're doing these. And maybe wash the car too. Yeah, I know it's dirty. But yeah, these are gonna look so yeah. Let's get into this shit. So what we're gonna do is we are going to mock these up, masking tape under, take these out, Sharpie, drill, put them on. And just if you guys didn't know, that's a dummy bolt. I don't know why. So is that one. Some gay shit. But like, yeah. Let's get into these. These are some nice JDM parts. But yeah, let's go. And so now we have 3 clean holes. See if it mounts up nicely. Perfect. Put this one on, move on to that one. Pretty much just used one of these. This one got quite dirty. I actually have to clean it after, but worked out pretty good. So don't worry about these. Stupid attempt trying to use a pilot bolt. But yeah, the hammer is unnecessary. Let's put this shit on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Look at this wing. Yo, I just washed the car real quick. Let me just show you. Oh, I'm fucking in love with this shit. Stay tuned for our next video. We're gonna have something crazy, something totally out of my nature because I'm not invited there, but I'm still there. So anyways, yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all the support on the videos. We hit 130 subs. I've just been trying to get my name out there, and it's been working so far. But yeah, we just washed the car. Tomorrow's video is gonna be crazy, or I try to say this weekend's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. So anyways, with that, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, baby.